Hi Canada, I'm Lisa from Toronto, and I've been testing the 2.5 quart ceramic baking dish with dome lid from PADERNO. I've been loving this product. It's small but mighty, small enough to fit in a cupboard, but big enough to hold a 5.5 pound chicken stuffed with vegetables. It's easy to clean, it's got a pleasant look on the outside, and it's easy to use in, say, like a personal oven. Clearly, you could use it in a large sized family oven as well, but for those who are using like a smaller personal type oven, it fits. And it holds quite a bit of food, so you can comfortably cook for a family of one or two, or you can probably comfortably cook up to a family of four. I would say you can do comfortably 4 pieces of lasagna or a mac and cheese as an entree for two. Today I've been making turkey drumsticks with roasted vegetables. So let's have a look at what I've done. It won't, and here we go. There it is. There.